एक और डायनामिक है जिसके बारे में यहाँ बात करनी चाहिए और उसके लिए मेधा पाटकर सोशल एक्टिविस्ट हैं, को-फाउंडर है नेशनल अलायंस ऑफ पीपल्स मूवमेंट, वो भी हमारे साथ जुड़ गई हैं। मेधा जी, कैन एनवायरनमेंट एवर बी प्रोटेक्टेड विदाउट सोशल जस्टिस?
I don't think it can. Because we talk about solutions, no doubt about it, and solutions are necessary, but why create problems? The problems are created not by those who live with nature. The natural resource-based communities show us the Gandhian path because they are simple living, they are more self-reliant than anyone else. And if we do injustice to them by snatching away their land, their forests, their rivers, their minerals also underneath the land, then what is the result? It is not only displacement, it is destruction of the natural ecosystems. And when we disturb the ecosystems, we have not just coronavirus, we have a number of viruses which our agriculture is faced on chilies, on soybean. And we have faced 5 big cyclones within last 3 years. Oki, Amphan, Vayu, Nisarga, so on. So all of that impact needs to be taken into consideration and let the communities live their own ways, which are going to be the ways for the next generation and the next decade. And the injustice that is done to them is due to disparity. As one of the panelists spoke about, that is vulgarly growing in this country. Even after lockdown, the ways and means that are adopted to raise the GDP, which is not at all the indicator of health, not at all the indicator of equity, justice, self-reliance, socialism, or even the secularism, which are all values in the preamble of the Constitution, not just of the social activists. So it is necessary to understand that unless that justice is granted, we cannot really save either food and have food security. We cannot enjoy the benefits for the elites which they enjoy today. Because of their sacrifice, the others enjoy, whether it is air conditioned or the water from the big dams. So it is very necessary that we do justice. And if that disparity is not allowed to function or, escalate, and we really have equitable distribution of resources, everyone will have its basic needs fulfilled. And what Mahatma Gandhi, today is the Gandhi Jayanti, had said that the most valuable solution, we have enough on this earth to feed everyone. Why are 3,000 children dying of malnutrition every day in this country? That is heart-burning. And hence we must have justice to them. That will really save even the environment and natural resources, beyond consumerism, beyond corporatism, beyond centralization, beyond depletion, without any controls and monitoring, as EIA 2020 is going to bring in that new diluted regime of environmental law, will not pay any attention to environmental and social impacts. And that's what has been happening now, but it will be much more. That will be disastrous. Correct. 1,500 and more scientists have already warned that it is just 30 years of life for all of us. The clock is ticking and the climate change is killing agriculture to Himalayan glaciers. Correct. And that's why the sea is coming in. That's why the drought and flood cycle. We cannot forget this.